Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to embed Base44 to hosting your website builder. First thing I want you to do is just go to your hpanel.hostinger.com, and here on the left hand navigation bar, click on websites. You'll see the websites you have. Click on edit website for the specific website you want to go ahead and embed Base44 on. And then here on the left hand panel you'll see elements. Click on this, scroll down, you'll see embed code. Just go ahead and drag and drop it anywhere on your page where you want to embed. Okay, I'll place it here. And then we'll click on enter code. We'll place this. Okay, I'll paste this in. And of course, you can pause the video and go ahead and use this. So here you see iframe src equal to. This one is the source. So we need to enter your URL for your Base44 web app or your project. Then you just come to the top right, you click on publish, and I already have it published, right? Once you've published it, you'll get a domain. So click on copy, link, then you paste it in right there, okay? And once you have pasted it in, what you need to do is just come down here, click on embed code, okay? And then go ahead and go live, of course. Go ahead and save your changes, and then you'll be able to see it once you refresh. Okay, really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.